So guys, this is the intro to our power management. So as you can see guys, we have these four kinds of our wires in game wires. So this is the normal wire. I used copper only for an early game. So as you can see, these wires can pass through tiles, any kind of tiles, and this is it has only a maximum of 1,000 watts. Yes, and this is the bridge that we can use to pass through all wires so that they cannot be interconnected. And as you can see, it can pass through tiles. And the next is the heavy watt wire. I use also a copper, or also can be used in early game. And this is can carry a load of 20,000 kilowatts of power. So take note guys, it cannot pass through tiles. So I use this heavy watt joint plate, also a copper one, and this is for early game. And as you can see, I pass this using this plate, and this plate is also can become as a regular tiles. Yes, it can pass through tiles. And this one also, as you can see, if you want to connect this and passing through another tiles, this must be built inside this walls just to pass through your wires. So the next one is the conductive wire, which can carry the load of 2000 watts. So it can pass through tiles same as this regular wire, but this one is using what you call this, as using refined metal. They use this refined copper for this one, and we are using the debug mode just for education and tutorial. So again, this is a conductive wire that can pass through wires, and this is the bridge, conductive wire bridge. And we don't need this bridge for passing through tiles. I only make this just to show you how you can see this in game, this conductive wire bridge. It can also use this to pass through another wires, just to skip, not to connect two wires. Next is this heavy watt conductive wire, also using refined metals. So this one I use the copper also, and this can carry a load of 50 kilowatts. So it's big. This can be used in a heavy grid and late game, mid game for your industry. So this is a good one for having too much generators and passing through grids. So this one up to 1000 only, and after that it can break or can be overloaded. And this one is a 20-watt wire, maximum safe wattage, and this is 2000, and this is 50 kilowatt wires. So again, this heavy watt wire is using conductive joints, yes, to pass through walls. So let's see the decoration. So now we are in the decoration overlay. So this exposed wire can give you a negative, but not so strong as this one. Heavy watt wire can give you a very big bad decor, so avoid exposing this kind of wires to your dupes. So eventually you have to hide this somewhere somehow, and just to put some additional decoration to negate this kind of wire. Also this one is conductive wire, also give us a good decor rather than this too heavy watt wire. So if you are using this normal wire and this conductive wire and adding more decoration to the surroundings, it can give you a good decor rather than this one. If you put this exposed to our dupes, it will give us very bad decors together with these joints. So just take note guys. So here we are, guys. I show you the automation and also how this works for the smart battery. So this one is connected to the hydrogen generator, and the other one is this a smart battery. So we have two consumption of two space heater which consume 120 watts. So let's see. So as you can see, guys, it's increasing. Now it's charged. It's also give the hydrogen generator idle just to stop, as you can see. Yes, if this smart battery comes with its threshold of full, it will give a signal to stop this hydrogen generator, so not to consume all the hydrogen gas reserve you have. So if you can see right here, yes, it's now giving you green, yes, to charge this one, and it will give you a red signal to stop the generator. So I have here the high threshold of 90 and the low threshold of 60, so it depends. You can move this one to your choosing or whatever number you want, or you can type right here 80 or 90 or 100. Let's say 90. So that's it. So this normal power transformer can only output 1000 joules. So if all of this connected to the transformer, it will only output 1000 joules to your grid. So if you are using this to have feeding your all of the powers and all of the equipments and the machine inside your base, it will not be enough, so you have to add more transformer to distribute your power in per 1000. So if you want a higher load, you can use the higher large power transformer just to distribute also for a 2000. It can 4000 now, it is a 4000, so it can give you the load of 4000. So you can use this other equipments which has using 1200 wattage of load. So you can use also the heavy or the heavy watt wire, heavy conductive wire. It's up to you just to use your equipment. So this is the power grid. So we have here two hydrogen generator with one jumbo battery. So it says that you have 1200 potential load, but this is not working, so it means it will not give you an overload, since this machine, this thermo actuator, is not working or it's not running. So it will keep it like that. It will be giving you an inactive. It will be like a violet blue color. And this down here is also the same, with two hydrogen generator with one jumbo battery, but it has the load of 1000. No, it has already broken down right here, because you reach the 1000 maximum load. Yes, so you can see right here it's broken, the wire is disconnected because it is giving you an overload. This one, and wire disconnected, and also one here that connects to the generator, it also gives you this one, wire disconnected, because it is already giving you overload. So in this one, in this method, I used two hydrogen generator with heavy watt wire connected to jumbo battery and connected to the transformer, and then this transformer will distribute only 1000 watts through right here, so it will not give you any overload, but it will only give you 1000 but it says here that we have 1080, so it means we have some power interruption, since your demand is 1080 and you only producing 1000, so you have a power interruption right there. Yes guys, this one is again the safest method. So we have two hydrogen generator here with battery, putting this high transformer. So it says here that we have 960 watts load, but the maximum power load we have for this wire is 1000. So it means yeah, you can use in this kind system generator plus battery, then passing through transformer, then you can use to this to your consumption for your buildings and industrial buildings. So thank you guys.